I still haven't worn these. Like, it's a limited edition or a special edition, whatever you want to call it. I haven't worn them yet. Just waiting for the numbers to tick up. What is it doing now? Like, last time I checked, stock X was like 340. So if I would sell it, I'd probably make exactly what I bought it for. So it is what it is on that note. But considering that a lot of other 300s fell in price, these are probably a hit in the what is that word? Oh God, whatever. It's probably a hit, and I'm thinking that a lot of people should probably just think about it because the materials are great. The suede on here is soft, it's plush. Like there's no lack of good materials in the shoe. Everywhere you touch it is soft. It'd be like just anything. It's just silky. Only complaint I have, they did not include any type of like paper insole type whatever. So my shoe is like that till I wear it or I put something in there. But I'd rather just keep it as it is right now. It's not that important. Like it's okay. We can get it this shape later on, man. We ain't worried about that. Design quality, it's like both pairs, bro, are like perfect. I don't see any glue in here. It's where you would want to be like, I'm not messing with these. I'm not messing with these. Perfect. These is clean. Another thing. I already said one thing, but another thing is these colorways are bussin', bro. I understand Kanye's doing a lot of earth tones and a lot of things are dropping in the 350s that are similar. Like, I am not ignorant to that. That a lot of things in the 700s are real earth tone, just real earthy, bro. And it's like all of them except this one. This caught my eye. Probably the blues, 700 nurse blues or hospital blues or whatever. Like those are sweet in person. Like the photography did not do those justice in any of the sneaker news, Adidas website, anything. Like, nah. They were a little bit better. The 3M on them made them bust. Would I spend 300? Nah. Would I spend 2? Probably. But so wait for the hospital blues to jump down a little bit more. Grab them. And you luck up on a pair of these, dead stock, grab them, bro. I wear 9.5 and it's rocking, bro. So let's check it out real quick. Let's see. Let's just go to Suplex. This is not an ad. And I'm from Illinois, bro. So you see this. You know what I'm saying? We could do some business. But let's see what they're talking about, bro. Because a lot of things on here that people, hey, it's not gonna do well. Your heels, oh no, it's weak. It's a brick. I went to the finish line and grabbed 7, 7.5, 4 of both, a 10, 10.5, 11, 11.5, 13. I'm looking at profit sold at 13, sold at 7.5, profit on both of those for 300. So don't listen to the hype. Wow. So 9.5 is going for 329 stock X, 430 Flight Club, 450 515 stadium goods, bro. They're gonna rob you, bro. I don't know who they selling these shoes to. Who was paying $5 for a sneaker, bro? Like, you ain't going to stock X, bro. Like what country do you live in where they ain't letting you do any of that? Like, that shit's crazy. That shit sucks. If you gotta order from Stadium Goods because of some other stuff, bro, I'm sorry, bro. Go in the link in the bio, bro. I ship internationally, bro. I get you right, my guy. Real talk. Dang. Hey, they are what they are. 329. Seems like a lick to me, if you ask me. Retail. Buy them. Make good use of them. I'm not gonna be selling them anytime soon. And like I said, they mess around, stop making these 700s or slow down on the colorways or something like that, people are gonna give this a little bit more attention. They'll think about it more. Like the mauves, even those, like, hey, they dropped down. They were bricks, but people started buying them and rocking them hard, bro. Like, what I'm saying? They caught them on the deals, and it's a great silhouette, bro. Can't stop the great silhouette. Really can't. It's a lot of shit that Jordan Brand does with a lot of other silhouettes. You like, hey, it's not an OG, but it's just rocking, But it's kind of the most of I had for this video. Other than that experience with Yeezy Supply before they transitioned from their site type of thing and the shipping fulfillment was cool. Everybody else always ragging on. Chill. My box is good, like perfect, like everything I get from Finish Line. Sometimes, like something like it's you might have a nick. Go to the Finish Line, have a nick on the box. I grabbed a size 4. Box was 4, and they get chills. It was fucked. Yeezy Supply came through, decent delivery on these pair of 9.5 black 350s. I'm not mad at them. So maybe it's you guys' addresses, bro. Maybe you guys just don't live close enough to Wyoming, bro. Because I'm in Denver, Colorado, bro, and I feel like people are just, hey, I don't hear bad things about it. But long story short, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Dislike. I ain't scared of a little bit of hate. Let me know what's up. Shoot, if there's any more shoes you want me to pick up and review, I don't care. Let me know. I got bands, you know what I'm saying? But it's really kind of like bands for I really want to buy the shoe, not bands for this is an ugly shoe and y'all want to see it in person and y'all never gonna buy it. Y'all just want to see me buy it. Don't do that, because as Nike about to find out, I'll punt that shit right back to you, straight up. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if you're really feeling me, man. If you feeling the vibes, bro. Like right now, this is a little okay setup. Like I see some of my stuff right here, right there. You know what I'm saying? So see the wine up there. So I'm a collector type of individual. I got dishes. I'm a real person, bro. So holla at me. DM me at what am I gonna change my Instagram to? I'm gonna just keep it normal, bro. Kilogram2. That's killer, the word gram, and then the number 2. Hey, holla at me.